As a result of the NAR settlement agreement that went into effect in August of 2024, MAR has revised the seller contribution addendum. Note that the form stays largely the same. The seller has an opportunity to credit certain amounts of money to the buyer towards buyer's closing costs. This can either be in the format of a dollar amount or a percentage of the purchase price. But now there's this additional section which clarifies that this is only for certain closing costs. This should not be used if we are talking about compensation of buyer's broker. In the event that seller wants to compensate a buyer's broker, there are two forms that you could use. You could use the buyer request for seller's compensation and or the listing broker's offer of cooperative compensation. So this is just a notice that if you are trying to compensate the buyer's broker, this seller contribution addendum is not the correct form. And this is really important because many loan products will cap the amount of seller contributions or seller concessions that a buyer may receive. So it's very important that we keep these two categories of closing cost assistance quite separate. So the seller contribution addendum, this is for all other closing costs, taxes, recordation, repair, credits, that sort of thing. If we're talking about crediting from the seller side towards the buyer's broker, then you must use the appropriate form for that separately. Again, this is the seller contribution addendum as amended in August 2024.